welcoming our very own new cleaning partner, Dustor. My day starts with super hectic timelines, and once I'm done with his schooling, I have to rush to office. That's when my super helper Dustor takes care of the hygiene and cleanliness of my home. The mopping function cleans the wet stains and leaves it spot-free. The anti-cliff feature prevents Dustor from falling from a height, so you don't have to worry about it. The LIDAR feature maps every corner of your house and cleans the dust that your eyes don't see. Dustor is absolutely user-friendly and can be operated by anyone.
Dustor is my new best friend.
Now I'm absolutely convinced. छोटे हो या बड़े, Dustor धूल चटा दे.
Log on to www.dustor.com